out there, and welcome to my channel called Fun Things once again for another video to be uploaded. Okay, so this magic trick, it is very simple, it is very interesting, and all you need is a standard deck of cards of 52 cards, which is really simple. Okay, so let's get straight into it. I'm going to start off with a performance for you guys and then on to an explanation of how to do it. Okay, so now I would like you guys to say stop whenever you want. When I say that, I'm just going to cut the deck a bit and say there. Okay, so I'm going to take all these cards just like this and I'm going to guess that card. I guess it is the 7 of clubs. Well, how did I guess it? Time for the explanation. Okay, so before you come up to a spectator, you need to remember the bottom card, which is, in this case, the Ace of Diamonds. Okay, so as it is the Ace of Diamonds, you have to memorize that card, and then you can go straight up to the spectator and say stop whenever you want. And I'm just going to cut the deck here, say about there, and then what you can do is take that card, including the bottom card, including the Ace of Diamonds. And then you can be like that, ask your spectator, what do you think the card is? And then he could say he doesn't know. And then you could turn it around, but before you turn it around, you can say the Ace of Diamonds because you know that was the bottom card. Okay guys, that is basically more or less the trick. I hope you guys enjoyed this trick. It was very fun for me to learn and very fun for me to teach you guys, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. So please don't forget to like my channel, subscribe my channel, like this video, and yes, goodbye, peace out. Hope you enjoyed.